Hey, welcome to the weekly dance tutorial. Today's tutorial is going to be focused on waves. Basic waves. Before we begin, make sure you've properly stretched. First, I'm going to show you an example of the choreography and then I'm going to have you follow along.
I got too many thoughts and too many problems. 숙면이 답인 듯해서 또 잠. 친구가 불러 난 아직 졸려 말랐어 party and I call nobody. I'm a homebody. I'm a homebody. 잼난 건 집에서 내일까진 쉬겠어. 요즘 그냥 숨 쉬며 조용히 지냈어. Living inside 나는 거의 뭐.
Okay, first things first, we're going to learn how to do a basic arm wave. So go ahead and put your hands out like this. You don't have to make it too far, just wherever you're comfortable. And you're going to start on one end, it doesn't matter which end, and you're going to go up with your fingers. And once you go down, your wrist is going to pop out just like that. Okay, so up, down, and wrist. And this whole time, this arm is going to do a motion of going up and down like a wave, okay? So make sure you go up and see how the rest of my arm is going up. Then you want to start going down. So make that curve right here. So curve it. 1, 2, 3. And notice once I get to my elbow, everything down here is pointing back down to where it originated. So if I started here, I'm going to end it in the same spot, okay? So fingers, wrist, elbow, shoulder, and all you gotta do is drop this elbow and lift this shoulder, okay? So one more time, fingers, wrist, elbow, drop the elbow, shoulder, switch to the other side, elbow, wrist, fingers, down. So notice this side is exactly the opposite sequence of this side. So first, let's just work on this side alone. We started from the shoulder, okay, just lift it up and make sure everything else here stays flat. And then drop the shoulder into the elbow, okay? So look, dropping the shoulder, elbow comes up. Shoulder, elbow, wrist, finger, down. Alright? So in one motion, it should look like this. Boom, 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 boom. Alright? So now, from the very top, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way across. So with the music, I think it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright? So 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we're going to reverse it, okay? So go ahead and start on this arm now, and you're going to go up, down, switch to the other side, okay? So from the top, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, reverse, 2, 3, 4. Nice. And then from here, we're going to do both of them, and we're going to go up, down, okay? Same thing, up, down. So you're going to repeat that twice so that you get used to the waving motion of it, okay? So up, down, and then from here you're going to reverse that and go shoulder out, okay? So notice that I do the whole thing with my shoulder going out to my elbow, wrist, and then fingers are last, okay? So you don't want to move your fingers at the same time as your shoulders. You want to start at the shoulder, go to your elbow, and then to the hands. So from the side, it's going to look like this, okay? Up, down, and then reverse, out, and then down. Go out, and then down, okay? Now let's try that with the music.
I got too many thoughts and too many problems. 숙면이 답인 듯해서 또 잠. 친구가 불러 난 아직 졸려 말랐어 party and I call nobody. I'm a homebody. I'm a homebody 잼난 건 집에서 내까진 쉬겠어 요즘 그냥 숨 쉬며 조용히 지냈어 Living inside 나는
Alright, that's the end of that tutorial. Make sure you practice that as much as you can because this one's a really difficult one if you've never done any waving before. So watch it over and over again until you feel like you're comfortable with that move. And as always, if you have any questions, anything regarding dance, waving, whatever you wanted to ask, feel free to DM me on Instagram at can.choreotics. Peace!